Hello everyone, my name is Željana and today I would like to talk about typography. We will talk about the basic part of the letters, what typography actually is, and we will elaborate terminology of typography. In the beginning, I think it's important to know the basic part of the letters, so I'm going to show it at this word. At first, this is uppercase character and these are lowercase characters. This is stem, descender, bow, counter, ear, link, terminal, serif, bracket, and ascend. And from here to here is point size, and from here to here is cap height. And this is baseline. Okay, actually typography is everywhere we look. It's in the books we read, on the websites we visit, even in everyday's life, like on street sign or product packaging. In essence, typography is the art of arranging letters and text in a way that makes the copy legible, clear, and visually appealing to the reader. Typography involves font styles, appearance, and structure, and the aim is to elicit certain emotion and convey a specific message. Actually, typography is what brings the text to life. Now, we will talk about beginnings. Typography can be dated back at the 11th century during the innovation of movable lead type. The first example of typography can be seen in the Gutenberg's Bible, and before digital age, typography was a specialized craft associated with books and magazines. Now, one interesting thing. The style of type used in Gutenberg's Bible is now known as texture, so you will find it in font drop-down menu on major desktop applications today. It's very important to know. It's very important to think about the message we want to send because fonts have their own language and they all have something to say beyond the words on the page. Now I would like to talk about the fundamental concept and the terminology of typography in the words you can understand. The first and basic of these is font selection. The second thing is size. All typefaces aren't created equal. Some are fat and wide and some are thin and narrow. So words set in different typefaces can take up a very different amount of space on the page. The next is leading. Leading describes the vertical space between each line of type. And the last things I'm going to talk about today are kerning and tracking. They are similar but not the same things. Kerning is the process of adjusting the space between characters to create a harmonious pairing, and the tracking is the process of adjusting the spacing of all characters in a word and is applied evenly. And in conclusion, I think it's very important to emphasize that one of the main tasks of typography is to guide and inform users, optimize readability and accessibility, and provide a great user's experience. That's it for me. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and goodbye.